Welcome friends. So I'm going to demonstrate you a Google Jamboard, a new software platform available for you for writing on a screen, and you can share your screen. So I'm going to elaborate all the features of Google Jamboard. For that you have to open any of the browser and just sign in with your Google account. Okay, so I will type Gmail here. Just type a Gmail and sign in with your Gmail account. All right. Okay, once you just sign in, so I'll use my college account to sign in. So it is a domain account, so you can use any of the Google account. So for all Google account, this facility is available. Okay, so then in another browser, type jamboard.google.com. So once you type jamboard.google.com, it will redirect to a new page. Over there you will get no jam found. So I will change the account. You can keep any account here. So I'm going to change my account to this. Okay, so this is my Jamboard. So loading your jam files. Okay, you don't have any jam made, so we can tap plus symbol to create a new jam file. So here it is, the thing like this, and here we will get your sign-in credentials. So my credentials are this. Now we can have owned by anyone, or you can have owned by me, not owned by me, and so on. So you can have a shared Jamboards available on this as platform as well. So how to start with new Jamboard? So here we have row views. If you have list of jams, we can view here. We can have integrated, open the jam here directly. So I can click on a plus symbol. So once I click a plus symbol, new board will appear. So this is a new jam available. Okay, so here this is, you can write here, open on Jamboard. So you can open it here, or you can have a new jam here. Here these are the different toolkits available. So I have here pane. So inside the pane we have different panes. So it is a pane, then marker, we have highlighter, and we have brush as well. So you can select any of that. We can have a black colors available. We have a eraser here. So this is eraser. We have select blocks. We have sticky notes. Then we have image. We can add the image. So there are different options. We can upload the image. We can Google search. We can have Google Drive, or we can have a recent image as well. So these options are available. So I'm going to elaborate all the options, and it is a laser option. So laser is very nice. So just I am stretching the laser here, so you can observe that is vanishes after some time. And we have multiple screens available here. So here I am using one screen. If you want to add more frames, you can add it here. So I have 2 frames now, frame 1, frame 2. Those frames are saved automatically. Okay, so I will show you how to write using a pane. So I'll select a pane. I can write on the Jamboard. This is a taste of Jamboard. Okay, so like this we can add. I can erase it if you don't want. You can erase it like this. We can have a clear frame. So frame automatically clear. You can select another pane. You can have a different colors. Okay, so I can write with new color now. Okay, so I can change the tip of the pane. So here it is a marker. So little bit higher marker. All right, so I can have here with a different color. I can write. This is highlighter. Okay, so you can write anything. Okay, another very good thing about this is you can share this. So I will show you by sharing this as well. So here I can share. So there are different options available for sharing. So one is you can share privately or you can share collaboratively. So you can have both options, like editor option also. Here it is. So I can got it. So I can have here people with a share, and I can restrict with the my institute as well. So if I don't want to restrict that, so I can change here. Here it is. So this anyone can use. So I can click here, anyone can use with this particular link. So if anyone is using this, and I have given a privilege as viewer, so just only viewer. Okay, so I can copy this particular link, I can open another incognito window, I'll paste it here, I can enter. So the same Jamboard is available here on this particular link as well. So whatever you are writing on that particular Jamboard, the same things will appear here. You can look. Okay, so I can just minimize this. So I can just move a little bit here. This is a small window. Okay, and I will overlap these things too. Okay, I can change the jam name. So I have two windows now. Okay, so this is a viewer window and this is actually editor window. So I can change here a name. So I can rename it new jam. Click OK. So once I change the name, so viewer also get the notification. Okay, I can add the pages or I can clear it. So I can clear the frame. Once I clear the frame, viewer gets cleared. Okay, I can select a paintbrush. I can write by using a paintbrush. Okay, so this like this I can write. The same thing will be appeared on the viewer screen. So I can use the marker or highlighter with different color. This is Jamboard. The same thing will appear on the viewer screen. Okay, so how you are writing, how you are highlighting the things, those things are appear on the viewer. Okay, you can have markers, so you can write with the markers, anything you can draw some blocks and everything. So same thing will be appear at the viewer screen. Okay, also the another feature is having the selection. So you can select this. Very good feature is about sticky note. You can add the sticky note, hello world first. So I can save the sticky note with the color. Okay, so one sticky note has been saved, good morning. So another sticky note I have cleared, so I can cancel it. So I can move sticky note anywhere else. I can zoom, I can maximize this. Same thing will appear at the receiver end. Okay, so also I can add sticky note without color, so I can have none, and I can write here, this is trial of Jamboard. Okay, I can save it. Once I save it, so you'll get the sticky note available, and this sticky note is a purely blank sticky note. Okay, so like this you can add on your screen. So same thing will appear at the receiver end as well. Okay, you can observe the receiver. All right. Okay, so also you can add the images. I can move to the next page. Once I move to the next page, the same thing will be shifted at the receiver side as well. So this is page 2. So I can write something. So same thing will be appeared here. Okay, I can add the image. I can add a Google search. Suppose Arduino, I search image. It's going to search the image. You can choose any of the images, so that will be added. Select, so that image is available here. Okay, so also we have a laser pointer, so you can point anything on the screen. Okay, so you can clear the frame, you can open that with the Jamboard. So this image is available now. Okay, you can choose a marker to explain this particular pane. So this is a DC jack. Okay, like this you can select, you can highlight this thing, you can draw boxes and all the things. Okay, So very good thing about the Jamboard. Okay, so you can have both the options. You can give editor view to the also you can give to the editor view and only viewer only. Okay, all right, so this is about Jamboard. So you can use Jamboard for mathematical explanation and all. It's a nice thing. You can zoom in, zoom out. Okay, you can open with a Jamboard. Okay, loading it with other Jamboards and all. Okay, I'm going to stop it here. Thank you. Okay friends, if you are not subscribed my channel, please press the subscribe button and press the bell icon for next upcoming updates. Thank you for listening. Thank you.